How to stay cyber secure in work and personal life, tips and practices.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
If you are here directly but not on other articles like Top 5 Ransomware Attacks or Cybersecurity Fundamentals, you must already be aware of what cybersecurity is all about. Then, with no further delay, let's just jump to the subject and explore all there is to staying cyber secure in work and personal life. With all the advancements in digital technology, you might have even been victimized for an incident or at least heard of one from friends and colleagues. And you would have now realized how true the saying, precautions are better than cure, is, how important cyber safety is. And in this article, we will share insights on some of the best tips and best practices for maintaining a cyber-safe environment, whether you're working remotely, managing personal data, or browsing online. Let's get started and go step by step. Start by securing your devices and network. Your devices, smartphones, laptops, and tablets are the first points of access for cyber criminals. And your internet connection becomes a gateway to transfer data in and out if it isn't secured. To ensure your cyber safety, here are a few things to do. Install antivirus software. Regularly update your antivirus programs to defend against new malware and viruses. Keep software updated. Ensure your operating systems, apps, and programs are up to date, as outdated software is vulnerable to attacks. Enable firewalls. This acts as a protective barrier of cyber safety, blocking unauthorized access to your devices. Automatic updates. Allow automatic updates for your software to stay protected against newly discovered vulnerabilities. Set strong Wi-Fi passwords. Use complex, unique passwords to secure your home and office Wi-Fi networks. Use encryption. WPA3 is the latest and strongest form of encryption available for most routers. Make sure it's enabled. Update router firmware. Regularly update your router to patch vulnerabilities. Use a VPN. A VPN encrypts your data, adding an extra layer of privacy and cyber safety when accessing the internet. Follow these tips for additional security. 1. Creating strong passwords. Weak passwords are one of the most common ways cybercriminals gain access to accounts. Most of these passwords being easy guessables, like your mobile number, name, DOB, or anything related to you that publicly available. Here's how to create secure passwords. Long and complex. Use at least 12 characters, mixing letters, numbers, and symbols. Unique passwords. Avoid reusing passwords across multiple accounts. Password manager. Use a password manager to generate and store complex passwords securely. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. Always enable 2FA, adding an extra cyber safety step for account logins. 2. Use multi-factor authentication. Multi-factor authentication, MFA, adds an additional layer of security to your accounts by requiring not just a password, but also a second form of verification. Enable MFA on all accounts, especially for email, social media, banking, and work-related accounts. Use authentication apps. Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator are secure ways to manage MFA. Backup your MFA codes. Store backup codes securely in case you lose access to your authentication method. 3. Safeguarding your personal data. Your personal data like financial information and medical records can be very valuable to cyber criminals. You can build your cyber safety and protect your data by using secure websites. Ensure the sites you share personal information on use encryption. Look for HTTPS in the URL. Limiting social media exposure. Be mindful and cyber conscious of what personal information you share publicly. Monitoring accounts. Regularly check your accounts for any unusual activity, especially financial transactions. 4. Recognizing phishing and social engineering attacks. Phishing and social engineering are methods used to trick individuals into revealing sensitive information. Here's how to spot and avoid these threats. Be cautious of unsolicited emails. Emails requesting personal information or containing suspicious links are red flags. Look for misspellings or incorrect domains. Cybercriminals often use slightly modified domains to trick you into thinking an email is from a legitimate source. Verify before you click. If something seems suspicious, verify the source by contacting the sender directly before clicking on links or attachments. 5. Avoiding dangerous websites and downloads. Websites designed well is not just the work of a professional. Anyone can build a website. Good websites can be deceiving, and that is where you will lose your cyber safety. Browsing the internet safely helps prevent malware infections and phishing attacks. Stick to trusted websites. Avoid visiting websites that aren't secured with HTTPS or those you don't recognize. Be cautious with downloads. Only download files from trusted sources. Use browser privacy settings. Adjust your browser settings for optimal privacy and security, and use ad blockers to avoid malicious ads. 6. Cyber hygiene for families. Cyber safety isn't just for adults. Children and teens also need to learn how to navigate the online world safely. Teach kids about privacy. Explain the importance of not sharing personal information online. Use parental controls. Monitor online activities and set content restrictions to protect them from harmful content. Encourage safe browsing. Teach children how to recognize suspicious websites and scams. 7. Preparing for the unexpected. In the event of a cyber attack or data loss, having backups ensures you won't lose critical information. Cyber safety is also a self-responsibility. Regular backups. Schedule regular backups of your data to an external hard drive or cloud storage. Encrypt backups. To keep backup data secure, ensure it is encrypted. Test your backups. Periodically check that your backup data can be restored successfully. 8. Cyber safety while using public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi networks are notoriously insecure, making them a hotspot for cyber attacks. Avoid accessing sensitive accounts. Don't check bank accounts or sensitive data when using public Wi-Fi. Use a VPN. Always use a VPN when connecting to public Wi-Fi to encrypt your internet traffic. Disable automatic connections. Ensure your devices don't automatically connect to unsecured Wi-Fi networks.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.